space in Highport this morning at our depot and heading to go get diesel because we couldn't get it on Saturday. We're 17% diesel this morning, so we've got plenty of time to get to the job as well. It's got us there at 10 to 7 at the minute. The job's due for 8 o'clock. So we've got a bit of time to play with. So we'll head round to Morrison's and go get some diesel in truck this morning, and then that's us sorted for a couple of days then, which is all good. We're going down to Ashby de la Zouche this morning to pick up it is, I believe, or United Biscuits it's called, I think. The actual place that we're picking up from, it looks like it's going to be a handball load, which we'll take that for a Monday morning. We'll certainly take that for a Monday morning. 64-mile drive and a couple of hours getting loaded, then back to Immingham. Just coming up to 5:30 this morning. We started at 5 o'clock just to allow time to go get diesel. Really, I've never filled up here in the morning at Morrison's. It could be straight onto a pump. It could we might have to wait a bit, but we'll find out when we get there, won't we? We've got diesel straight on the pump, won't we? We're alright with that. We've been told that it's on this job, in the instructions that we've got, we get special instructions for the jobs, like ring this number or go to this specific gate or ask for this person. So we've got a note on it that says it's imperative that we phone this number 2 hours before arrival, otherwise the load could be rejected. So we try the number, and the number's not a valid number. So who knows what's going to happen down here, because, well, it's the first time I've done this job. Just coming up to 6 o'clock, so there was someone in the office in a couple of minutes, but they won't be able to get hold of the shipping company till at least probably 8-9 o'clock. It's just the way it works like that. So we're looking like we're going to have to try and blag this one and try and wing it. I have checked the number that I'm ringing. I'm definitely ringing the right number. So we'll just have to see what happens. I'll phone office in a couple of minutes and see if they have a different number, or if they've done the job before, they might have a note on their system to say this number don't work, try this one. So we'll give them a call and see what they say. And we're just getting off now at Ashby de la Zouche, however it's actually said. What junction do we need? What lane do we need? This one, I think. They're in the wrong lane at that one. Yeah, Ashby. Wagon is indicating over, but the car still goes up the side of it. Or has he just left an indicator on? Oh, you think he's coming round. So yeah, I phoned the office and they've not got another contact number for this job. They've just said just to go try it and see what we can do, and they'll sort it from there. Because they've checked the original booking from the shipper, and I don't know what this lad in front's doing here, and he's got the same phone number on it, so with it just been given the wrong number by the looks of it. But, you know, it happens. Like I say, all we can do is get here and see what these say, and go from there. Watching this corner, so we need to be in other lane. I don't think this lad in front knows where he's going really. I couldn't get over for him because he slowed our traffic down. So we're straight up here. I think we could have gone that way, but my sat nav's got me coming off this way and turning left onto Discovery Way. Let's see if we can actually turn left, because it's where roadworks. I'm probably going to start knowing my luck. Then I'll be a bit annoyed, but can we turn left here? Oh, we certainly can. Look at that. So yeah, I think then it's just on this road then, I think, by the looks of it. I'm looking for United Biscuits. I think it's McVitie's as well. It's got a few names on it, but I think where's the first entrance we'll come to on here, I think, is United Biscuits loading bit. So they must just have an allocated section that they load in. Let's have a look here. McVitie's. Follow marked route for gate 2. Alright, so we've got to go around the roundabout. We're not allowed to turn right into it. Yeah, it's at an angle. That must be why. There was a sign on there that was some time zone, but I didn't quite get that. Sure, it said something about 8 o'clock. I wonder if that gate down there is just not open until 8 o'clock. I wonder if we're going to have to try this main. We'll try this big main one here first, I think. We'll have a look at that one and see what it says on that. See what it says there. You can always just let us in and turn around and park up somewhere if need be. Spin it round this roundabout. There we go. I don't want to turn right because obviously we can't come back round again. We can, but it's a bit awkward, isn't it? Because we ain't got a gate number, you see. We just got the job. No idea where to go here. This is just a bit crazy, this, isn't it? Get a gear, we'll go down this way and park up there, and then we'll go and see them. So I'll go get off and go see them and see what they've got to say here.
Hi, Tim here, editing the video. Harry's on vacation with us. He's left the memory card with the footage of the video that faces him inside the truck, so that's going to be missing this week. So if there are some large jumps in continuity, that explains what's happening. So bear with us. Normal service will resume in a couple of weeks.
Right, we're getting on the move. We've been given another number to ring, and they've told us to come straight round, and they'll try and get us on the bay a little bit earlier if they can. But you know, they can't really promise anything, so we'll just take that with a pinch of salt. Get out the lay-by here. About 7 hours and 14 minutes we've been there on break. So yeah, they said to come round. We might have to wait a little bit to get on a bay, but they'll only be about 2 hours from when they start. So if they can get us in at 3:30 and we can get out for 5:30, you know, I'll be happy at that. That gives us 2.5 hours to get back to Doncaster to get parked up and get ready for tomorrow. We've got a job, 2 jobs through for tomorrow. We've got a job in sorry, I'm just closing sunroof. We've got a job in Hull for 11 o'clock out of Eyeport, but we've got to go to Immingham first to get the box off, remember? And then we are back to Eyeport with that, in Doncaster to box off and box on again for a Rotherham, well, Rathod-upon-Dean out Mexborough way for, I think that's 2:30 is that one. So we're going to have a bit of a fun day tomorrow, so we could do with getting parked up as soon as possible. 9 hours off, because we'll be using our split break that we've just got. So we'll basically got a free 15-hour day now, and we've still got 3 left for the rest of the week, which is always good to have. Yeah, it's always good to have the 15s left, especially when we're going on a holiday at the end of the week. That's about it, really. I've just been sat watching. I managed to watch 2 films, done a bit of editing. Yeah, I didn't even know it was raining. I've been watching Godzilla. So yeah, a bit of luck we can get round there, near enough straight on the bay and sorted. Right, latest update. It's got even worse, this job. Just coming up to 10 to 7 now, and we've had to drop the trailer on the bay in there. Still getting loaded. It's just frustrating is this today. So yeah, we're gonna have to park unit only in a lay-by tonight, which is very bloody annoying, but what can you do? God, we can only turn right here. Yeah, so I don't know where we're going to end up. We're going to have to go back in the morning for that. So they're going to get charged overnight rate now as well, because it's obviously 8 o'clock this morning we were booked. They've changed it to 4 o'clock. We've run out of time now because we've been here that long, and we're now trying to find somewhere to park. So I'm going to go back to that lay-by we were parked in earlier, because it was quite a decent lay-by, and then we'll have to wing it from there if not, so let's hope that it's free.